Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really nice ponytail. Now what you're going to love most about this hairstyle, apart from it being really simple, is that it only takes 1 minute to do. So whenever you're in a rush in the morning, this is the perfect hairstyle. So let's get started. Now, so you just want to make sure that your hair is brushed out thoroughly, and then after that you're just going to create two sections at the front of your head. And with the hair at the back, you're just going to bring it into a ponytail. Now really it would be better to use a clear elastic band or an elastic band that's the colour of your hair. But today I didn't have any, and now seeing as we're going to be hiding the top part of the ponytail with the other sections, it doesn't really matter. So once you have tied your hair into a ponytail, you're just going to tug at the hair above the elastic band, just to give it a messier effect, and then you're just going to wrap the two sections around the elastic band. And so once you have wrapped the two sections around the ponytail, you're just going to tie them together with an elastic band. And there you have it. That's our really simple and easy ponytail. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. You know what to do by now. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be notified of more tutorials. Bye!